Hi everyone, and this is my 200th video, and there's the minifigure that I'm going to open, and that's three minifigures. 3 out of all the minifigures that are special can go on there. Only 3. Then I got one right here in the bag. It'll be right there. And that's why I got this. Especially for this character. Now, I'm gonna start opening them. Open it. So now, got the new hat. The brand new hat. Just from the box. I mean the package. And what's next is the Lego Max. Pretty sure this card. Trying to make sure I get this on tape, and I will keep it so everybody can see it later on. So I opened it, and that's what you have left over. Plastic sheet. And, well, here's the card. Like a collector card. Telling you to join the Lego Club today. For the first few years, it's free. For the first however many years it is, it's free. So, let me build the minifigure. Trying to do it in front of the camera is a little hard. So, you see. There. Got the Lego Max minifigure. But that's not all. What we're missing is the Santa Claus hat. There. Santa Claus hat thing. So it could have the Santa Claus hat. There. Add them to the most special minifigures. Got Santa Claus. Got me, the minifigure version. Then I got Max. And so that's about it. Like if you want, favorite if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See everyone next time. Bye.